Okay, I'm Harry again, so let's do some comic book trimming! This is so stupid. Okay, here we go! This is like the ultimate V-neck sweater. Oh, it's coming along! It's coming along! Can you see it yet? I honestly have no idea if this is going to work. Okay, so it's going okay. It's not great, but it's coming along. Not everything works out the way you want it. Also, it's a little slanted. I'll have to. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. I like this. Oh, this is so dumb and awesome at the same time. You know what? Let's keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, Spider Man. Oh, I regret this. This is so gross. Oh yeah, I got abs now. First time I've ever had abs. Oh, it's coming along. Now comes the hard part. Well, there it is. It's not bad. I was going for the Flash, but because of the mirror, I realized this is not the Flash. This is reverse Flash, because the Flash goes this way. I have failed, and now I'm a super villain. Okay, here we go. Oh. It's a little lopsided, but you can see what I'm going for. Well, here we are. It's the punish hair, you guys. It's the punish hair. This is so stupid. Gross. Oh, it's coming along. It's coming along. Can you see it yet? Anybody? It's Venom! My favorite character, played by Tom Hardy. But you know what? There's still more to do. Okay, but just hear me out. We are Venom. Here is how hairy I am, and it's time to trim it. I'm not the Batman you need. I'm not the Batman you deserve. I'm not even the Batman you want. Oh, this is like the ultimate V-neck sweater. I did Batman last time, so I'm sure you can guess what this is. Look what I did. This is the worst superhero ever. This looks like a job for... I wouldn't call him super. Maybe...
Superman!